Did you know that so many home buyers in Chicago overpay by thousands of dollars, not because of a bidding war, but simply because they didn't know this one rule? It's called the 555 rule. And today I'm going to show you how to use it to protect your wallet. Whether you're a first time buyer or moving up, understanding how to evaluate a property fairly can save you serious money. In this video, we're breaking down the 555 rule, a buyer's chest code for avoiding costly mistakes in a competitive market like Chicago. Problem? Chicago's housing market is fast moving and strategic. Buyers often jump on homes emotionally, especially when listings say things like won't last long or multiple offers expected. But behind the scenes, I've seen homes sit on the market for weeks with zero offers, only to finally sell to a buyer who overpaid by tens of thousands. Why? Because they didn't know how to analyze the deal like an investor. So, what is the 555 rule? It's simple. Look at the last five sales in the immediate area. Compare five pending homes, what's under contract now. Evaluate five active listings currently on the market. Why it works? The sold homes show what people have paid. The pending homes show what people are paying. And the actives show what's being ignored or overlooked by other buyers. This rule helps you spot overpriced listings, artificially inflated homes, or even hidden gems that aren't getting attention. Let me tell you a quick story. James, a first time buyer in Jefferson Park, found a home listed at $399. He loved it so much that he offered $419 right out of the gate. Here's the kicker. There hadn't been one single offer before his. He didn't apply the 555 rule. 3 weeks later, a nearly identical home 2 blocks over sold for 35,000 less. James overpaid because he didn't know how to check the market pulse. And no, his agent didn't stop him either. Don't be James. So how do you avoid this? Here are three quick hacks to go with the 555 rule. Check days on market. If a home's been listed more than 10 days, it may be overpriced or have hidden issues. Look at price per square foot, especially if you're comparing condos or townhomes, not so much for single family homes. Ask what's pending in the area, not just what's sold. Pending homes tell you what buyers right now are willing to pay. When you combine all of this with the 555 rule, you no longer have to guess. You're negotiating like a seasoned pro. Have you ever felt like you might have overpaid for a property? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, check out my other videos where I break down the top 3 red flags in home listings that agents never talk about. Subscribe for more no fluff real estate tips, and let's make your next move your smartest yet. Thanks for watching, and if you ever have any real estate questions, reach out directly to me. My contact information is below, or send me a message through the comments. Just get a hold of me. I would love to help and answer any questions. Even if you're out of my area, I can still answer questions for you and even find you a top agent in your area. Thanks for watching and hope you'll be back for another video.